So, why is EpiGrid the right partner? Philip, why don't you tell us about it?
Yeah, that's pretty much what going back to what I was saying earlier is that we happen to know SolidWorks and we happen to know the IT side, or at least we're hearing all of the issues that are related to both of those every day and solving those. So that's kind of our main game is to go in and actually get you to the solution, not just answer a quick question, but look at the overall solution and the overall, actually resolve things like slow performance or downtime. We don't just want to fix it right there. We want to actually get to a nice solution that actually works for you long term. And that's when it comes to that deep specialized expertise, as we're saying there in the slide. It really comes down to IT and engineering together. So, and then you pair on top of that. So over time, we develop this it's we have comprehensive managed services on the slide here, but we basically call that our MCAS product, and that's a managed CAD admin service. So over time, we realized a lot of our customers were coming to us and saying, we need just a couple hours a month or something like that, and maybe a quarterly meeting to just go over where we want to get to and some issues that we're seeing so that we can systematically be fixing those issues. So by pairing the EpiGrid server solutions with this monthly managed service, we find that we can really keep things running really smoothly, with kind of minimal time from our engineering teams that we work with. So we don't have to take a lot of time out of your day to just kind of keep hitting things along monthly as we go so that we can clean your systems up. So
And we got a couple questions. Looks like one from Kim and one from Victor. We're
yeah,
almost to the end, so instead of answering those questions now, let me just keep moving, and I'll answer those here shortly.
yeah,
I
we're
think we're
pretty
almost
much
done.
there. So
Yeah.
sounds good.